Hey, what's poppin', everybody? So today I decided to bring up an old video that I probably filmed like last year, just so that you guys can experience what it is for us girls with short 4C hair, what we go through when we're trying to accomplish a sleek bun. Okay, it is no joke. So ultimately the goal of this video is for the next time when you see a girl with short 4C hair rocking a sleek bun, that you would have a deeper appreciation for what they went through to accomplish it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it, comment down below, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to join the gang so we can hang. Hey, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I hope you enjoy this. Peace.
It's the dream. Oh!